so hot outside. I just got a package from Amazon. Nobody is delivering to Ukraine right now, but I found the way. We have a service in Ukraine which can deliver from United States and other countries. So I was able to make an order on Amazon, and the shipping was expensive, as you can guess, but I just can't get those things in Ukraine. For example, I ordered this liquid for making your watercolors to become permanent on the fabric when you are like painting on your fabric for your projects. And I'm really glad I bought 2 of those liquids. You can see my video tutorial on YouTube how I'm painting using watercolors on fabric and which liquid to use. There is a link, and I will put the link here under this video as well. So I couldn't find it in my country, so I'm really happy that I was able to order it from United States, and now I have a lot of liquid and I can experiment with my fabrics. I really like it, that I can make any kind of color background, and I can like do even gradients. I really like gradients, so I can make really nice project with this. And I also ordered some batteries for my camera. So there is a charging thing and 2 more batteries. And I also ordered a case for my camera. And I hope it's gonna work well with my camera, and so it's gonna be compatible with this. It should fit here. Let's see. And also interesting, I ordered is this mini iron, and we're gonna be testing it today. So this is my camera which I'm using for vlogging, and this is a microphone. So let's see if it's gonna fit here in this box. So I'm gonna use it when I'm traveling. Yeah, it works really nice, and maybe even I can fit even my microphone here. Yeah, I really like it. It's teeny and it's hard, and yeah, it's not gonna be broken when I'm gonna be traveling. And yeah, the most interesting part of this unpacking process is this mini iron thing. Let's try it. So this is how it looks, and I'm gonna be using it to erasing the heating erasable gel pens on my fabric in the places where I need. So for example, when I'm working on some project and I didn't complete it yet, so I have some marks here and here for my future stitching, and I want to make a picture of it, of already embroidered parts, so I can erase heating erasable gel pen in those places only, and then just continue working on the parts which are left here. Yeah, it's a nice toy for embroidery. Let's see how it works. Okay, let's try to use it. It has a low and high levels, so it's for different types of fabric. Low is for like polyester fabrics, and high is suitable for cotton fabrics. And it also comes with a cute little stand. And the instruction says that it's perfect for stained glass quilting, upcycling, pressing seams, paper crafting, and many other sewing and quilting projects. And it's easy to use for even the smallest details. I'm gonna be using it for embroidery, and I'm gonna be just removing the pilot friction marks in the places where I want. So for example, you have a project and you want to remove some marks here. Those marks you will need for embroidering, so I'm not gonna be touching those. I can make mark close to the area where I'm stitching like this, and I'm gonna be trying to remove it with this mini iron. Yeah, I really like it. It was really quick and easy to use. Just remember that this part is hot, don't touch it with your fingers. Yeah, I really like it. I can highly recommend it. So this is how it works, guys. When you buy something that I recommend in my videos, I can buy for myself, for the small commission that I'm getting from those purchases, something that I can't find in my country at all. And also stick and stitch is not available, but right now my friend Melanie sent me some stick and stitch, and it's gonna be last me for a long time, probably, for my projects. If you want me to test something, let me know in the comments. And Melanie also sent me a lot of embroidery threads. Those are Cosmos threads, which is also not available in my country, but it's really great quality threads. This is how it looks. Cosmos Seasons. So now I have a lot of varied threads, which I can use for my personal projects. Thank you so much, Melanie. I love you. And this is my display wall, and my embroideries are constantly falling down because those hooks, they don't keep them. See, it's gonna fall now. So I know I'm using just glue to glue it back, and all the rest that I already glued, they keep them on the wall, so they are hanging, and I just glued those which fallen recently, and I bought some more hooks. They look like this. They have a sticker, and this is actually for wires, and it's not for what I'm using it for, but and I bought a bigger one. Maybe they will keep my embroideries better on the wall, so let's see. You know, it looks like Ukrainian borders almost, so I will hang some more embroideries, and it's gonna be displayed like the territory of Ukraine. What do you guys think about it? And this is a project I did for myself. I was stitching the emblem of Ukraine this way with some florals, and I was doing it on the stick and stitch stabilizer, so I'm gonna be washing it away and it's ready to be worn. It's a dress. So my dress is dry, and this is how it looks. I love it.
I want to say a huge thank you to all my supporters on Patreon. I don't have any monetization on YouTube and those videos became possible thanks to my patrons. If you want to join them, tap the link in the description below. Join my stitching club and get all the amazing benefits I prepared for you. Check it out! Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell, and I will see you in my next videos. If you're new here, my name is Natalie. I'm an embroidery artist from Ukraine, and I believe that the power of my art can make the difference. If you want to join this stitching along and support my country, check the link in the video description below. And of course, a huge thank you and a special big hugs to those who joined my fundraising stitching along for Ukraine. I believe that together we can make the difference. Please share your progress shots on Instagram and Facebook under the Peace for Ukraine Stitching Along hashtag, so I will see it and share in my stories and feed. And invite your friends. Ukraine still needs your support. The war is not over. We are still fighting for our freedom and democracy. You can find more information about how to support by the link in the video description below. That's it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!